Introducing the all-new 2023 Skoda Enyaq 80X Sportline in a stunning orange exterior colour. This electric hatchback has everything you could ever want in a vehicle and more. From the moment you step inside, you'll be surrounded by luxury and convenience. With features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, wireless charging, and ambient lighting, every drive will be a pleasure. And with safety features like anti-collision system, lane departure warning, pedestrian warning system, and traffic sign recognition, you can drive with peace of mind every time. But the benefits don't stop there. The Skoda Enyaq 80X Sportline also boasts features like a Towbar Preparation, privacy glass, roof rails, and a spoiler for added style and security. And with its Energy Recuperation, self-driving capabilities, and Tyre Repair Kit, you know you're always covered on the road. What's more, this vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. So you can drive away knowing you're getting a quality vehicle that will last for years to come. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website at spiritskoda.ie for more information on how you can make this 2023 Skoda Enyaq 80X Sportline yours. Take your driving experience to the next level with Skoda.